Premium cotton and linen fibers arrive to form secure paper. Security threads are woven directly into the wet paper pulp. Watermarks are pressed into the fibers while still damp.
Massive paper rolls are inspected under specialized lighting. Watermark registration is clear. Security thread alignment is perfect.
The secure paper is cut into large sheets for printing. Sheets are stacked and acclimatized in climate-controlled rooms. Offset presses apply vibrant, intricate background patterns. Perfect alignment on both sides prevents counterfeiting. Microprinting adds details too small for standard printers.
Ink levels are continuously monitored for perfect consistency.
Intaglio printing gives money its unique, raised texture.
Engraved steel plates are coated with specialized, dense ink.
Excess ink is wiped away, leaving it only in the deep grooves. Immense pressure forces the paper into the engraved plates. The resulting portraits have a tactile, three-dimensional feel.
Color-shifting inks change appearance when tilted in light.
Holographic security foils are hot-stamped onto the paper. Inspectors spot-check the optical features under UV light. The sheets must cure for days in secure drying vaults. Temperature and humidity are strictly controlled during curing. Automated guided vehicles transport sheets between stations. Letterpress machines add the final, unique identifiers. Serial numbers guarantee every banknote is one of a kind. Treasury and bank seals are stamped over the intaglio ink. Cameras verify each serial number matches the database. High-speed scanners analyze every millimeter of the sheets. Flawed sheets are automatically marked for destruction. Only perfect sheets proceed to the final cutting phase. Secure shredders destroy the rejected notes immediately. Guillotine cutters slice the massive sheets into half sheets. Laser-guided blades ensure perfectly straight, crisp edges. Final cuts separate the sheets into individual banknotes. High-speed machines stack the notes into bands of 100. 10 bands are bundled together to form a brick of currency. Robotic arms stack the bricks into standardized pallets. Shrink wrapping secures the bricks for secure transportation. Pallets are moved into massive, heavily guarded steel vaults.
Every Every single note is tracked in the central digital ledger.
Armored trucks arrive to distribute the new currency. From secure factories to your wallet, the journey is complete.